Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making banana breadstick. First you peel the banana. Slice off the tops and bottoms to create a straighter middle section. That's it. Save the ends for later. Freeze it for 1 hour. Take out the banana ends and put them in a bowl and smash them until it's smooth. After the bananas are smooth, add 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix it a while. Add 1/2 cup of flour. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Add 1/4 cup of oil. Okay, put it somewhere. After that, mix again until it's smooth. We need cinnamon. Forgot about that. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Add 1 egg. Again, you will have to mix it until it's smooth. Okay, stop. Remaining of the bananas, you will dip it into the batter and fry it in the pan. A parent or guardian at least should be there. And please, a child cannot do this. This is dangerous. Thank you so much for watching this video. Here is the final result.